What if a global leader in power and sensing semiconductors was trading well below its own 52-week high, even as it pursues a bold new bet on artificial intelligence? Meet ON Semiconductor, ticker symbol ON. The company designs power and sensing chips used across automotive, industrial, and increasingly artificial intelligence hardware. Shares have fallen sharply from their highs after ON announced a $7 billion acquisition of Synaptics to accelerate its push into physical AI, a deal that initially triggered a steep sell-off. At the same time, the company is streamlining its manufacturing footprint under its Fab Right strategy, aiming to lower costs and improve margins. Despite the pullback, the stock now trades at a forward P/E well below its trailing multiple, reflecting expectations for improving profitability ahead. Wall Street's average price target sits meaningfully above today's price, implying real upside if the Synaptics deal and cost-cutting plan play out. Could ON Semiconductor's AI pivot turn today's sell-off into tomorrow's opportunity? Follow for more professional stock research, and always do your own due diligence before investing.